The Department of Health and Human Services is overhauling the immunization schedule for children. The new proposed immunization schedule breaks up vaccines into three categories: vaccines for all children, vaccines for those who are at high risk, and vaccines based on shared clinical decision-making, which means doctors and parents can decide what's best based on a child's health history. Joining us now is NBC News medical contributor Dr. Natalie Azar. Dr. Azar, good to see you. Can you walk us through the highlights of what's changing?
Yeah, so I think the good news is that for the recommended vaccines, the big ones, polio, MMR, pertussis, whooping cough, HPV, varicella, which is the virus that causes chickenpox, none of those recommendations have changed. As you mentioned, they have now sort of subdivided the rest of the vaccines into recommended for high risk and recommended after shared decision making. The one that really stands out here, Kate, is that they've moved the flu vaccine to one that is recommended after shared decision making. I was just on the AAP, the American Academy of Pediatrics call, and basically what they said was that to do this in the midst of a really, really bad flu season, when we have really good data that this year's vaccine, data from the UK, protects children really well against hospitalization, and we know that the majority of deaths from flu occur in unvaccinated children. This is something that they were very, very shocked and disappointed to see.
Yeah, and Dr. Azar, to be clear, some of those that we were just showing used to be required by doctors or, by school districts. Do we know why this change is happening now?
I wish, Kate, that I could tell you that it was because it was deliberate and evidence-based, but unfortunately that's not really the case. This is kind of what is to be expected in terms of the agenda from this administration and this HHS to reevaluate vaccines. Even drawing certain making certain suggestions that the reason for chronic illness in kids is because of vaccines.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.